When you look at the fact that we have the ability to cut all of this huge biomass that you see here in front of you, this is the vetiver grass. We can stack this into piles and create mineral-rich soil just by adding the earthworms to it. Okay guys, so this is the vetiver grass, and we were talking about stacking it, cutting it and stacking it, and this is what we do. That's a green mass with lots of nitrogen, lots of minerals, and no seeds in it anywhere. And it will grow back the same way. So we're taking this vetiver grass that we've cut, and as you can see right here, we've already piled some up before, and we're piling it on top of it right there. And that's all we need to do to create soil. We'll flush that with the fish water. Okay, here we go again. Vetiver cloth, sickle, cut it down, stick it in the pile. Mineral-rich soil building. That simple. Run a little bit of water out of your fish tank onto it. Keep going on that. This is just the vetiver grass piled with the fish water on it. This is what they've created. Yeah, it's incredible. Vetiver grass, which is like a major mineral miner. And we pretty much just lay it down. The worms we've introduced are in here. If you look into here, you're just gonna see it's inundated with these guys. And this hasn't been that long. It's gone from vetiver grass. This. On this side here, these are cacao trees, by the way. They come through this way. These are just piles of fertilizer. And in here, we have our friends. There's a tortoise in here. And there's some ducks. They get to eat the weeds. They love that.